Hello!
Hello.
Hello guys! Today we are unboxing two iPod minis, and this will be the first in the world simultaneous synchronized unboxing. So let's start and see what happens. I'm waiting for you. Be careful.
No, don't do it. I'm not touching anything from this whole time.
I'm waiting for you. Did you break it? Yeah, pull it. Pull it. Pull it out.
Pull it like a monster.
Give me this. Yep. It's one is black, this one is white. And what we do? We drop it like it's hot. Oh, it's a nice box. Oh, it's so round. I'm waiting for you. There's this cable, the braided cable. It's
Here
really
it is.
premium, Apple quality materials as always. And we have white. We have this pull tab here that we will remove like that, and we put it on the table. Oh, the cable is really long, like more than a meter maybe. And what we have inside, we have this cardboard, we have the HomePod mini documentation. Yep. And then we have stickers. Yes.
What? We have stickers?
Yep. We have documentation. How to set it up.
And we
And
have stickers?
we have a charging brick. Yeah. So if you got an iPhone, an easy way to add charging brick at no cost or $100 cost is to buy a HomePod mini. So this is it in the box. What's in the black box? It's the same charging. We have two charging bricks now. We remove this. It's very unprofessional. Very unprofessional.
Sorry.
But
Right,
why the
just
charging
one.
brick is not black like the other one? So we put it like that. You put it like that. And we got our IKEA thing here. First we'll turn the white one. Is it on? Is it off? I don't know. Oh, it's spinning. It's spinning. It will find something. So now we turn on the black one and we'll set it up. It's spinning like that. And waiting for... Oh yeah, it appeared. So we have a HomePod mini. Set it up. It will be in the living room. Yes, we want personal requests. Yes, we want Siri to know everyone. And we'll transfer the settings. And now the magic happens. We have to put the... And it's working. It's magic. And the top is glowing really nice. I don't know what screen is this, but it's very magical. Now it's finishing, transferring all the settings, and we will set up the other members of the family, and we will try what we will do with this. Yeah, it's done. That's it, done. So now it's okay. Play some music.
All right, shuffling music from your library.
What will be? What will be? Let's pause. We don't want to trigger any YouTube copyrights. So yeah, that's it. That's the HomePod Mini. We'll put one of them in the children room, the white one, and this one will go in the living room, and I will use this one to call this one to wake up my children for school every morning. Do you like it? You will be awakened with Siri, and you will not be angry to me, but to Siri.
Hey, you want to tell Siri to be the one who wakes me up,
Yep.
and you to not be the one.
Yep.
That wasn't that cool.
And now I will show you some things. First, how you can control them. You have to open the Home app, and then they appear here as Home Kit devices. So, for example, we'll hold on this one, and you can see what's playing on this HomePod. You can set a new alarm if you want to play media or to play tone. You can put label for this alarm. You can set timers like here, and you can have multiple timers. But okay, maybe you don't have multiple timers, but you can set only one timer. Let's see for the alarms. Alarm, label. We don't want label, we want 10 o'clock. You want to play media, or you can choose the media that could be played, but I don't have Apple Music now, so we cannot choose any media. Again, and we'll play tone. You have a new alarm. You can have multiple alarms, but I guess you cannot have multiple timers. Let's see. Start. No, new is disabled. Whatever. And then we have the settings for the HomePod. The name, you can change the name of the HomePod. You can include it in the favorites. You can choose the rooms that this HomePod is. And for example, if I choose the living room, it detects there is another HomePod here, and you can use it as a stereo pair. So they will appear as one device, and they will play stereo sound. But not now. I will show you how to do this later. You can create new room. You can create automations for this HomePod. For example, when you leave your home, the HomePod can pause the media, and there are scenes that it suggests. And here, if you missed the create stereo pair option, you can create stereo pair from here. For example, I will do this now to show you. You choose which HomePod. Where are they located? Yes, living room. Then it spins for a while, and they are left and right. Now this is the left. We will swap them. Yeah, it's nice. You can play music, and you can restart the HomePod, and you can ungroup the accessories if you want to split these HomePods for two different rooms. For the moment they are being configured. Yep, it takes a while. Also, there is one option. You can reduce the bass, because if you don't like such bassy sounds, actually I don't like the bass a lot of this HomePod. I might turn this on, but I will leave it on to see it how it works. And there are different options like listen for Hey Siri sound when using, what voice of Siri, should it be used for personal requests like your calendar, sending messages, calling, phones, and things like that. And there is accessibility, voiceover, and touch accommodations, and automatically adjust Siri volume. So we'll play some music now. Hey, look, they appear as one HomePod. So we will play some music, but now we will have to choose the HomePod. And the music is played from the HomePods. Another very useful option for the HomePod is that it can be used as intercom throughout your house. So if you have several HomePods in each of your rooms, you can go to the HomePod app, to the HomeKit app, or you can ask Siri to use the intercom feature. In the HomeKit app, it's here on the top navigation bar, and you can tap it and say, for example, "Hey kids, the dinner is ready," and it will turn on. And say, for example, "Hey kids, the dinner is ready," and it will play throughout your entire house or apartment. Even it will play on some iPads if you set it up in the settings app. "Hey Siri, intercom. What's up, HomePod?" What's up, HomePod? Another very useful feature is the tap to play. So if you are playing some music on your iPhone, you can tap the iPhone on the HomePod and it will transfer the music automatically to this HomePod. Let's see if it will happen, because it's a bit sketchy. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. We'll see now. Yep, it's playing, and now you can control it from your phone with the volume buttons, and if you want you can transfer it back to your device with a simple tap, and then to another. It doesn't happen like that, but you can always include the other HomePod. And they will play like So this is all for the HomePod minis today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and intercom.
If you like this video, please subscribe.
They are a bit out of sync, but they are different rooms now.